Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast after iOS 26 update. If you're using any iPhone and you have updated your iOS to 26, your battery is draining fast. So let's see how can you fix that issue. The very first thing you have to do, you have to turn off or disable transparency of your phone. So let's see how can you do that. You have to open your settings and here go for general, or you have to look for accessibility. Here select that option, then select display and text size, and here you will get the option of reduce transparency. And after that you can see we have the transparent control center and more transparent settings, so you can disable them in this way. So select or enable that option, and you can see that we have a solid control center now. So once you have disabled that, or you have to disable this transparent or glass icon. So let's see how can do that. Quick loss press long press on an empty place, then tap on edit option in the top left corner, and here you just have to select the customize option, then select the default option here. It will reduce the battery draining of your phone. And once you have done, you have to open your settings, then go for battery, and from here you just have to scroll down, look for power mode, and you have to enable low power mode from here. And once you have enabled, your battery setting will change and it will reduce battery draining of your phone. And then you have to adjust your auto brightness, open settings, then go for display and brightness, and here you have to enable this toggle for automatic, or you have to enable the dark mode from here. It will reduce battery draining of your phone. And then you have to go for settings again, then go for general and turn off background app refresh. So go for background app refresh, and from here you have to turn it off as we have already turned off, or it will automatically turn off in low power mode. And then you have to disable your location services, go for main settings, and go for privacy and security, and from here you have to look for location services and you have to disable them from here, then turn off. So in this way your battery draining will be reduced. Or if you're still having the same issue, so it may be that your iPhone is not compatible with your iOS 26. You have to downgrade it to iOS 18 back to fix that issue. So in this way you can easily fix if your iPhone battery is draining very fast after iOS 26 update. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.